Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Joyce Young from Damascotta, Maine. I'm a board-certified, licensed in Maine and in Oregon, doctor of naturopathic medicine, holistic preventative medicine. The umbrella concept, your body is able to heal itself if given a chance. My area of expertise is environmental medicine, asking the question, what are all the 100,000 chemicals in air, water, food, and consumer products doing to folks, along with electromagnetic fields and other types of radiation? There's actually very little research on the connection of the two. I want to bring to your attention the book written by Dr. George Carlo on cell phones, who was hired by the cell phone industry to assemble an international group of researchers to decide once and for all, are these things safe or aren't they safe? When the literature started to look pretty bad, then they dumped them, of course. One of the take-home messages from George Carlo's book that really interested me, besides the fact that you could find micronuclei, which was an indication of genetic damage, was that the blood-brain barrier that quote-unquote protects our brain from chemical exposure was breached by the radiation from the cell phones. This is of great concern because our adolescents and all of our teenagers are swabbed in fragrances which are known to have hundreds of different kinds of chemicals in them, a lot of which are carcinogenic and causing cancer, and they're hormone disrupting. If someone is surrounded by chemicals, and who isn't when they're using their cell phone, the chemicals that can access the brain are known to cause immunosuppression, allowing microorganisms access to the brain and the rest of the body, including viruses, bacteria, and fungi. If you go to the National Cancer Institute's website on viral cancers, it's very interesting because this is what they actually say. Cancer virology: 1 in 5 cancers is due to infectious organisms. 70% of them are viruses. So that if somebody is immunosuppressed because they have chemicals going up to their brain because of the radiation coming off and breaching their blood-brain barrier, that's a really concern. What about a pregnant woman and her fetus? The other thing that has not been brought up at all is what about people that have mercury amalgam dental fillings? They know that from Europe that the electromagnetic fields, even coming off of computer monitor screens, can create an additional galvanic battery effect in the mouth to increase the level of mercury. And in addition to that, you've got hormonal disruption by all these chemicals, and you've got the pituitary and the hypothalamus that control the whole entire body very close. My suggestion is to do as my mother always said, the precautionary principle: better safe than sorry. Please protect all of us and our children. I'm the voice of the babies, the fetuses, the babies, and our children. They have no voice. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr.